and the old triangle.
When jingle, jangle, all along the banks of the Royal Canal.
What is up, party people? Welcome to Davenport, Iowa. Right on the Mississippi River, this cool little city borders right against Illinois. From our hotel, you can see Rock Island, Illinois. This is another one-nighter on our tour. I've actually lost count of how many times we've been to Iowa at this point in the tour. We were only here for one night, and we were celebrating St. Patrick's Day. Here we played the Adler Theater, which is part of the River Center, which is an interesting space because it's a hotel, convention center, and theater all rolled into one. The Adler Theater originally opened its doors in 1931 as the RKO Orpheum Theater. It seats just over 2,400 patrons. If you find yourself in Davenport, you've got to check out Van's Pizza. This cool little bar has what they call taco pizza, and it's Doritos on the pizza, and it's delicious. You gotta get it. We got into some shenanigans during our vocal warm-ups celebrating St. Patrick's Day here, and it was a lot of fun. Check it out.
I understand.
You see, there is no reason for me fear.
You do?
Aye.
'Cause I think so secure when we're together. You give my life direction.
You make everything so clear.
And even as I wander, I'm keeping you in sight.
You're a candle in the window on a cold, dark winter's night.
And I'm getting colder than I ever thought I might. And I can't fight this feeling anymore. I've forgotten what I started fighting for.
Because Davenport was a one-nighter, we didn't really get to have much time to explore the city. And I've gotten a lot of requests for me to talk about my audition process for this show. So I thought I'd take this time now to talk about it. So my agent had reached out to me, shout out to Danny Prather, Hudson Artists, about submitting me for the show. He asked if I thought I could sing Drew still. And I told him I can still sing Drew. I don't know that I could sing Drew 8 shows a week on tour. So he didn't end up submitting me for Drew. Told him probably shouldn't do that. However, I went to the open call. And I got seen at the open call, and I sang Lovin', Touchin', Squeezin' by Journey. And from there, I was asked to come in for a callback. But the callback was during the run of Buddy Holly's story at Harrah's Casino, where I was playing Buddy. So I had to drive back up from the city during the rehearsal process, which was a trek. But the audition went well enough that they wanted me to come back and dance. However, I could not dance that day. So I asked if they would let me submit a video of me dancing. They said no. We're gonna hold another dance call later in the week for a couple people who can't make it to the dance call. At that dance call, it ended up being me and Emily, who is in the show as Constance Sack, and Mark, who is also in the show as Joey Primo. So I went to that dance call, had a lot of fun, got to do a lot of the stripper choreography that I don't get to do in the show. I got a call that day with an offer to do the swing track in the show, which I was really excited about. I've never gotten an offer the same day as a final callback. So yeah, that's kind of my experience with this audition process. So hopefully that answers. If you have any more questions about the audition process for this show or about auditioning in general in New York, let me know, write in the comments below. But yeah, Davenport, Iowa was a great time. But next stop, tomorrow we get on a bus and then some planes, and we're flying to Sault Ste Marie, Canada. Thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams, and cheers.